now here I am meeting you face to face.
But I am drinking, so...
I am talking.
You're telling the truth?
Yeah. But I know you are waiting for your wife.
That is not what I am talking about.
I am drinking alcohol on a racquetball court and yelling at old men.
I am drinking this.
I'm reading Emerson.
I am working on it.
I'm reading.
All due respect, Commander, but we're not going anywhere.
I'm reading about Jesus.
I'm reading a lot of books I don't understand.
I'm reading The Terrain.
I'm working even when I'm not working.
Okay, just to be clear, all I'm doing right now is opening the door.
The train is leaving!
Well, of course I'm telling the truth.
We're telling the truth.
Yeah. You are putting us all at risk.
You are putting us all in danger.
You are taking coffee and pie with a living legend.
You say you are waiting for something.
I'm not lying.
We're not going anywhere.
Probably why you're not answering the phone.
I'm not lying to you.
We're not going anywhere.
All right, well, the phones aren't working, Clay.
Apparently, he's not answering the phone.
Because without it, we're not going anywhere.
But it's not working.
Case, you're not helping.
Harry, you're not listening to me.
I mean, that's probably why the phones and the internet aren't working.
I'm not listening.
I'm not listening.
I'm not listening to a word.
I'm not listening to you. I'm not listening to you.
I'm not listening to you, okay?
I'm not lying.
I'm not lying.
I'm not lying, okay?
I'm not lying to you, Dale.
I'm not lying to you, honestly.
I'm not lying to you, Nancy.
You're not listening to me.
No, it's not working.
No, he's not answering the phone.
No, you're not helping.
Please, you're not listening to me.
She's not answering the phone.
That's why she's not answering the phone.
Phones aren't working.
We're not going. You aren't listening.
You aren't listening.
You're not helping me. You're not helping me.
You're not helping.
You're not listening to me.
Am I stopping?
Am I stopping you?
Are they laughing at us?
Are they laughing at us?
You laughing at us?
Are they stopping?
Are we stopping?
I'm cutting the hand or not.
Are you jumping on the trampoline?
Are you kidding me?
You're kidding me.
Are you laughing?
Are you laughing?
Is he watching the meteor shower too?
Are you listening to me?
Are you sitting down?
Are you telling me that this is not you?
Are you telling the truth?
Are you trying to make me cry?
Are you trying to make me horny?
Are you waiting for Matt?
Yeah.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Is he listening?
Is he watching?
Stopping.
Is she cutting meat with a butter knife?
Is she, sitting next to me?
She's sitting on a yellow line.
She's telling the truth?
Is she waiting for you?
Is she watching me?
Bracket, is he listening to us?
Now is he trying to speak or communicate in any way?
Is this really happening?
Is this really happening?
Well, are you waiting for someone?
Why is everyone looking at me?
But why are you painting my house?
Look, where are you going?
Mr. Murdoch, please,
What is happening here?
No, wait, how much am I cutting?
Simba, what is he talking about?
Sorry, who am I talking to?
So, what are we waiting for someone?
So what signals are they waiting for?
Well, then what are we waiting for?
Well, what are you waiting for?
Well, why is he jumping around all happy?
What are they laughing about?
What are they waiting for?
What are we waiting for?
What are you doing?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
What are you doing out here?
What are you laughing at me for?
What are you painting?
What is happening?
What is happening?
What is happening?
What is happening to the world?
What is she listening to?
What is she talking about?
Where are you going?
Who am I talking to?
Who am I talking to?
Who is he waiting for?
Why are they laughing?
Why are we painting the house?
Why are you laughing at me?
Why are you laughing at me?
Why are you laughing at me?
Why are you saying this?
Why are you saying this? Why are you saying this?
Why are you saying this stuff?
Why are you sitting down?
Why are you stopping?
Why is everyone looking at me? Why is everyone looking at me?
Why is he jumping on those women?
Why is he looking at me like that?
Why is he looking at the camera?
Why is he trying to kill us?
Why is she listening to that old man?
Why is she sitting like that?